In this video, I am going to show you how to enter split screen mode on Samsung Galaxy phones running on OneUi. Open few apps in the background. I have opened few apps in the background. To enter the split screen mode, you need to open the recent task or the apps which are open in the background. I would like to have the Play Store in the split screen mode. Press and hold the app and select the position where you want to open the app. Here you can see that the top position is taken by the Play Store, and at the bottom position you can select any app of your choice. I am going with YouTube. Here you can see that at the top I have Play Store, at the bottom I can use YouTube. You can use any apps in any way. If you want to resize the split screen window portion, you can do that. Here you can see that I am using maximum space to YouTube. If you want to exit the split screen mode, you need to press this line and you need to swipe down like this. It will exit the split screen mode. In this way, you can use multiple apps at a time on your Samsung Galaxy phone running on OneUi 6. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.